That are sitting on our soil as if they are the owners. Because Cyril is a Malawian and Julius Malema is a Zimbabwean. But they are sitting on the governmental seat as if they are the owners, making decisions for the Aboriginal people of this land. How long will the world stay silent of a mass murdering again of a very honest and caring and sharing nation like us? Because we never toy to make you scared. We will never out of our own come and kill you. But we see other nations do it to you. We see other nations do it to you. Without the blink of an eye, they will murder your children. They will kill you. Because that is who they are. But we say as a generous Aboriginal nation, please go to your nations and tell them about what is happening in our land, on our own soil. And we are just a few standing up for restoration and justice and reparation for all these people where you go to. This is all our heritage sites that they have stolen and make it theirs. Our forefathers' bones that they dig up, they are just putting it in plastics, without arms, without feet, without the head, only the bones. How disrespect can you still be in this age and this time? Then you say it's an ANC. It's not the ANC, it's an Antichrist. It is Satan's agents sitting on our soil. And we will not be silent. Because God has reserved us for such a season as this, to make a noise in this dark, echo and chaotic time, where evil is about to kill all of us if we don't come to our senses. All of us. And the only nation that can save this world is this nation in Southern Africa, the Aboriginal, Bushman and Hottentot nation.
Thank you for your powerful words. They call colored are not Aboriginal people or Bushmen, right?
Yes, they are.
Oh,
Yes, they are. We are the colored people that were the Hottentot people that were declared colored in Act 30 of 1950. And the other thing that the people do is now they put in blacks amongst us so that they can intermarry and rape our children so that they can also be called colored.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
That's what I say.
Yeah,
because if you come from another Aboriginal black land, that is your Aboriginality, not on our land.
Yes.
Not on our land, because the people that were found here were the Hottentot and the Bushman people.
Yes.
And that is the Aboriginality of us. They declared us colored. And that's why Act 3 of 1961 is the only act that kept our land reserved as a colored communal land trust. And it's only the coloreds that can claim that. So now everybody wants to call colored must fall, colored must fall, colored must fall, so that we can lose again our land assets and resources. And we say no more. No more deception. No more lies. No more killings of this nation. How long must it go on? How long will people be silent? How long will people just feed of our generosity and then turn their backs and say we have eaten from their land? Do you think that God is sleeping?